Class 9th, operations on irrational numbers. In last class we have studied what are irrational numbers. जो भी हमारे रूट से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हैं, that becomes your irrational number. And what kind of operations are allowed means addition, subtraction and multiplication and division we are going to discuss. So there are some rules, do's and don't. Here, if I have to add two irrational numbers, if I am writing 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2, अगर मुझे कभी भी ऐड करने होते हैं then I will add their coefficient. I will write down 5 plus 3 as 8 root 2. And the root 2, there would be no change in the root 2. You have to remember this thing. Fine. If I am taking root 3 plus root 2, तो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप इसे ऐड करके root 5 लिख सकते हो. This is not allowed. Fine. अगर आपको कभी भी एडिशन करना है तो it is possible if the roots are same with their terms and the powers. In the next case, if I am taking 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, again you will subtract only the coefficient, not the root. So 7 minus 3, we all know 4 root 2, and root 2 will remain as it is. In a similar way, root 7 minus root 5, after subtraction you cannot write down root 2. Subtraction is not possible if there are different roots. In next case, but multiplication is possible if I am taking different terms in the square root. Root 2 into root 3, answer is root 6. But if I am taking root 2 into cube root of 5, then you cannot write down cube root as 10. It is not possible. It is possible only when you are going to make the power same. Here the power of 2 is half and the power of 5 is 1/3. यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल होगा जब हम इनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर देंगे बाय टेकिंग आउट एलसीएम, बट राइट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू मल्टीप्लाई द टर्म्स. फाइन. एंड देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड. Root 10, if it is divided by root 5, then I can write down root 10 upon 5. My answer is root 2. But if it is square root 10 upon cube root 5, so here again division is not possible. Next concept we are going to discuss here about rationalize. Very important concept in grade 9 first chapter का rationalize is very important concept. Here suppose I have a number 2 upon root 5. Rationalize means मुझे root 5 को यहाँ से हटाना है. Simple मुझे 5 चाहिए. It means I have to multiply 2 root 5 with a root 5 numerator and denominator. In maths there is a rule, if you are multiplying with the numerator then you have to multiply with the denominator. Okay, then my answer is 2 root 5 and in denominator write down 5 directly. Why 5 directly? Because आप एक बार root 5 into root 5 25 लिखोगे, फिर इसके फैक्टर्स बनाओगे, then you will take out of the square root. My answer is 5. So why to take these steps? You write down directly root 5 into root 5 is 5. And then next step, if suppose there are two terms 4 upon root 3 minus root 2, and I have to rationalize this. तो हम यहाँ इसे rationalize करेंगे but with opposite sign, √3 plus √2. जब भी दो टर्म्स होंगी आपको साइन चेंज करके ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है √3 plus √2. And then after multiplication you are getting 4 √3 plus √2. Fine. And in denominator a minus b, a plus b, √3 square minus √2 square you will apply, and in numerator you will get 4 √3 plus 4 √2, and in denominator 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 we all know it is 1. In numerator addition is not possible, so you will leave the terms as it is. My answer is this.